guys, so today I'm back with an unboxing. It's been a while, but exams are over and I finished year 11, so I have lots of time to film. The only problem is I don't have any things to film on apart from these unboxings, but they rarely come now because I am on a hiatus for buying. I will definitely do a photo card and K-pop collection, but if you have any other ideas, then just comment down below and I'll take them into consideration. So I've already opened this, but it's just Lay's Autobiography, which I'm so excited for. For some reason I ordered 2 of these, so yeah. So they gave me some freebies, so I have Onyu's this brand card. I don't know if you can see that, but I can't pronounce it. And this, yeah, it's right here. But yeah, I have his card. I guess I'll sell this for I don't know. Just offer if you want it, but yeah. So I'll sell this because I don't really collect shiny, but yeah. And they also gave me a tint remover, although I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe a lip tint remover. So yeah. And of course, the autobiography. Like I said before, I ordered this twice, so I guess I will somehow give away the other one. Maybe I'll give it away when I'm at 200 subscribers. By the way, thank you so much for 100 subscribers, or now it's over 100, but still, thank you so much. I didn't expect it, and I purely made these videos for fun, so thank you guys for supporting me. And yeah, I'm really awkward when it comes to this stuff, but anyway, I'll just get on to unboxing this. So I've just taken off the plastic wrapper, and it comes with this, which I'm pretty sure is a notepad. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, the things I do for my ultimate friends.
Yeah, well, not quite a notepad, but a photos pad. I don't know. I can't read Chinese, which is such a downside, but I'm sure there are translations. But yeah. Anyway.
And of course, so yeah, it's a bit bent because yeah, but this is the front, and this is the back. And Chinese writing down here if you want to see. But yeah, this is the spine.
So this is like the inside pocket, and there's the binding, which I probably should do, but I'll show you guys. I think this is really nice. I don't understand I just really like the look of it. Anyway, okay, I'll just go through here. It says one book. This is just, I guess, contents? I don't know, I'm just guessing. But, I feel so awkward saying his Chinese name, even though I really do want to say it, because I'm scared I'm getting the pronunciation wrong, but you see, I think. Anyway. Oh my god, I cannot get over these pictures. Isn't he just so cute? Oh my god, baby pictures. I live for idol baby pictures. Oh my god, look at him. I can't. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm so stoked about this. Oh, more baby pictures. So so cute. He grew up really well. Oh, by the way, guys, did you see the Mama performances? They were all so good. I really liked, of course, EXO, but I really liked BTS and GOT7's mini collab, and also 17 and Monsta X, which are my favourite rookies, or boy rookies of this year. So I was like really, really happy to see them perform together. I really need to learn Chinese to read this. I can read one thing, Super Junior in 2008. The page, sorry. This book seems really fragile because of the binding. And the pages aren't thin, but they aren't as thick as I thought it would be. But I still really like it. Oh. These pictures are so good that I can't even say anything anymore. Flashing. Oh my god. This invade my life. This book is really thick. So, something else I can read. Oh wow. I will show you these after. Oh my god. Oh, his song EXO 2014. So close. Just randomly, I don't know if it's just me, but I think Chinese writing is really, really beautiful. I don't know, I just really want to learn how to write in that way. It just looks very, like, calm. I don't know how to describe it, but... It says, you have only one lifetime to do all the things you want, so don't hesitate, go chase your dreams. God bless those kids who have dreams and work hard. That's cute. And, of course, the slip that I showed you before. And that's the end. Wow, that was a really nice book. So, well, that was a really nice autobiography. Now I'll show you the things that came in it before that I said I'd show later. So first the photos. Wow. Or postcards, actually. They're really nice. So yep, those were the photos slash postcards and the poster. So I don't know if I'll be able to show the full thing. I probably won't, but it's worth a try. Actually, because it's late, I'm gonna do it.
Also, like I said before, this is up for sale, so put your own price down below. And yeah, so that was my unboxing of Yixing's 24 autobiography. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.